Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong, Connecting Our Community. I'm delighted to have Bjarke Fenger from Schneider Electric, all the way from Denmark. Bjarke, first of all, thank you for being on the episode.
Thank you for inviting me, David.
So, Bjarke, tell us a little bit about how you're seeing your customers, evolve, quickly through this, pandemic. We've been in it for a while. I know that you guys are providing, remote monitoring service to a variety of industries, including manufacturing. How have you actually seen people adopt here as we go?
Yeah, so the company I represent, we have both on-premise software solutions for monitoring management, and we have cloud solutions. And for the last couple of years, we've seen a trend moving towards the cloud because there are a lot of advantages in that. But this situation has really opened, I think, a lot of people's eyes for what remote monitoring really can do. I think the restrictions we have today of you're not allowed to leave your home, you're not allowed to meet up with your colleagues. Well, that's not really an issue if you're using a cloud software. And for a lot of our customers, they're now requesting the solution we have there in the cloud. And we probably would have seen this trend anyway, but this has really pushed it forward, this new situation we're in right now.
And speaking of which, any other key trends that you're seeing in the marketplace? This is obviously a big one for you guys personally. Anything else that you're seeing going on maybe even over in Denmark per se?
Yeah, and also very much the ability to collaborate, even though people are sitting in different locations. Meeting up at the office is just not an option right now, or meeting up at the site. So especially collaboration tools for many people working on one project. Yeah, I see that a lot of people are requesting that.
Final question for you, Bjarke. Any silver linings in all this for you personally?
So I think an interesting observation has been the fact that we're all in these buildings with our families. I'm used to Skype meetings like we're having now, but it's usually from an office. So I just think it's really funny getting an insight to people's lives. You see the dogs running around, kids showing up in the middle of meetings, and for myself, I had a couple of times where the kids have requested my help, so I had to run away from the screen to help my little kids with whatever they needed.
That's great. That's awesome. Bjarke, first of all, thank you for being on the episode. It's great to have you.
Thank you for having me here. It's been a pleasure.